What's the meaning of apposition? Apposition. Apposition.
Apposition. Apposition. Apposition is a grammatical term used to describe the placement of two or more nouns or noun phrases next to each other in a sentence, where one noun or noun phrase renames or explains the other. The effect of apposition is to provide additional information about the noun being renamed or explained. This often helps to clarify the meaning of the noun or to add descriptive detail to it, making it more precise and specific. For example, my friend, the doctor, is coming over uses apposition to further describe the noun, friend, as the doctor.